folks, Nathan over here. I just bought the S23 Ultra. Yes, it's in the house. The phone is still not officially launched by Samsung in Dubai. As you can see, the specs written over here: S23 Ultra, 512 GB, cream color. It's a different looking box. Last year they used to have an S, but now they've replaced by the photo of the phone. I spent around 4,350 dirhams for this phone. It's a 512 GB version. There was a lot of talk that the prices of S23 Ultra will be higher than S22 Ultra. Last year I had bought a 256 GB S22 Ultra for this exactly the same price. But unfortunately that phone was stolen from me. So I bought this phone. This is a 512 GB. So basically I got double the storage for lesser price. I'm just going to do the unboxing of it. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like and share videos of small creators like me. The box looks very good. It's made out of 100% recycled plastic, but as you can see, it's on a diet. Unfortunately, if you're rich or if you want to buy an expensive phone, you have to buy all the accessories separately. Thank you for sticking around. I use this kitchen knife to cut off the plastic. Here's the wrapper over here, and it's a very depressing box. As you can see, that's it. You get whatever this is, the IMI numbers maybe. This is the phone. You have to remove the phone like this. There you go. This also is very cheap covering. You don't get a premium feel. This is the phone. The phone looks really nice with this lavender color which looks gold, maybe like the iPhone 5s. The side railings is also a little bit goldish. The phone very boxy. It doesn't actually feel heavy, though it's heavier than last year's phone. I guess maybe because of the shape of it, it's become very flat compared to last year's model. And keeping it aside, there's nothing over here. And this is the top of the box where you will get some so-called accessories. Like I said, it's a very depressing experience. It's like buying the new BMW cars 7 Series and you have to pay extra for features that like preheated seats and all. I think this will come with a booklet, pin, don't know how to do it. There you go. Yep, you get some kind of small booklet. You get a data cable, type C to type C, and you get the pin remover tool. So it's a very disappointing experience. Year by year getting more disappointment. I think in the last they'll give this only in the plastic cover and say you already have a cable, so no need wasting money. Anyhow, good looking phone. Let me start the phone and do the first, what do you call that? I forgot the term. I've done the unboxing and then I'll on the phone and show the software setup of the phone. Thank you. Finally, I'm going to peel off this front one. Hear the sound of it. Okay. So let me just do an overview of the phone. You get the stylus on the left hand side. You get a speaker. You get a SIM card tray. USB Type C port. You get the power button, volume button. On the top you get I think one more mic. On the left hand side there's nothing, and you get the 4 cameras and flash. This is a 200 megapixel camera. This is a 3x optical zoom. This is a 10x optical zoom, and this is the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The front is a downgraded in resolution, can't be seen, 12 megapixel. Anyway, let me just start the phone. I wish there is some battery in this. Okay, there you go, Samsung Galaxy. Let's see how long it takes to boot up. Let me hold it in my hand. Okay, the phone is booting up pretty fast. Okay, that's nice. You can choose the language on the first screen. Insert a SIM card. I'm not inserting a SIM card at the moment. Privacy policy. Then you have this option of send diagnostic information to Samsung. This phone is wide, so I have to use my other hand. Sorry about that. And click on agree. Then set up a device from another Galaxy Android device. I'm just going to skip it up for the time being. Turn off Wi-Fi. I'm skipping that. Skip. Don't copy. Then this option of Google services, use location, no need. Send diagnostic information to Samsung or Google, whatever it is. And then there's a fingerprint. I'm going to skip that for now. and please wait. I don't want this at the moment. And then you can skip out of all this if you want. Samsung Wallet, Samsung Cloud, Bixby, Galaxy Theme, Spotify, Find My Mobile, Samsung Pass, Galaxy Health, Galaxy Store, Secure Folder, Samsung Internet. So I'm skipping that. Then you can choose all these features also if you want. Continuity service disable, customization service disable, nearby scan, smart suggestion. And then you can choose dark mode or light mode. I prefer the dark mode. And then my phone is set up. Okay, this typical Samsung One UI wallpaper looks horrible. I don't know why Samsung can't give a good one, and I hate this screen. I mean the scrolling. It should always go up to down. It seems very smooth. I never felt more smooth a Samsung phone. And this is how the control panel looks like. Go up and then you can see the preloaded Samsung apps, Galaxy Shop, Smart Things, Voice Recorder, My Files, Internet, Samsung Health, Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Wallet, PenUp, Bixby, AR Zone, Messages, and there is all these Google apps. That is Google, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Google TV, Meet, and Photos. And you get some Microsoft app. That's Office, OneDrive, LinkedIn, and Outlook. You get Spotify prebuilt, you get Netflix preloaded, you get Samsung preloaded, and you get Samsung Gold app, Samsung Free app, Game Launcher. Too many junk. This is the camera interface. This is ultra wide. This is 1x, 3x, 10x, 30x, and that's the 100x zoom. Anyhow, this is just the first look at this phone's interface. I will now charge it. It comes at 60% charge. I will just charge it and then I will do an overview of this phone.